We're doing a Toyota spark plug swap on the back. Let me see which model this is. A Lexus es300. Basically a Toyota. So a V6 3000. So without having to take the intake off, you can just reach back here and undo the bolts without taking the intake off. You've already seen I've taken this one out. I will resume the video as soon as I can get to the other two, because everyone's saying you have to take the intake off to get to them. But yeah, there's plenty of room back there. All right, just finished, and yeah, you can see all the coil packs are removed, and I can get a short stubby in there and take the plugs out. Get one with a little magnet insert in it, and it'll pick the plug up and you don't have to take the intake off. And there's the coil packs.